Hey Curly Teas, today we're making a light leave-in conditioner using hemp seed and olive oils and an ingredient I haven't used before called Cepi Plus 400. Olive oil is a very well-known emollient found in all kinds of hair care products. It's used to seal in moisture, improve the elasticity of the hair, and as a deep conditioner. High-quality hemp seed oil can help to soften really dry hair. Hemp seed oil is good for fighting dryness and breakage. By the way, look for a dark green version of hemp seed oil. In Phase A, combine your water-soluble ingredients into one jar or bowl. Panthenol, vitamin B5, is also a humectant. For Phase B, add your oil-soluble ingredients together. Alkyl esters is optional, but I like to use it because it helps to slightly improve the silky feel of your final product. Look at this gorgeous cream. Now it won't stiffen like a thick heavy cream, but will remain very easily usable and will absorb well on the hair. Don't forget to visit CURLYTEA.com for all of the DIY recipes, including the full ingredients list, instructions, my notes, and other information. Follow on social media and become a patron at Patreon if that's more convenient for you. I'll talk to you guys soon.